Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 28 from ISS 2019 paper 2. In this question we are given that 5 observations from a 2 variable linear regression model. It is observed that sum over xi is equals to 0, sum over yi is equals to 5, sum over xi yi equals to 12 and sum over xi square is equals to 10 and sum over yi square equals to 20. Therefore, the estimated error variance from the above observations for the model is which of these given options we need to find. We know that for a linear regression model y is equals to alpha plus beta x plus e, the error variance or variance of e is sy square multiplied by 1 minus r square, where sy square is the variance of y variables, variance of yi's, which is nothing but 1 by n sum over yi minus y bar whole square, or we can write 1 by n sum over yi square minus y bar square. Now r is equals to sxy root over sx root over sy, where sx square is the variance of xi's, which is nothing but 1 by n sum over xi minus x bar whole square, or we can write 1 by n sum over xi square minus x bar square, and sxy is equals to 1 by n sum over xi minus x bar multiplied by yi minus y bar, that is the covariance of x and y. Okay, and this can also be written as 1 by n sum over xi yi minus x bar y bar. So first we calculate the value of sy square, which is 1 by n sum over yi square minus y bar square. By the question, sum over yi square is equals to 20 and the value of n is 5. Therefore 20 by 5 minus the value of y bar is nothing but sum over yi divided by n, which is 5 by 5 whole square. Therefore it will be 4 minus 1, which is 3. Okay, now the value of sx square is equals to 1 by n sum over xi square minus x bar square. Sum over xi square is 10 divided by 5 and the value of x bar is 0. Therefore this results in 2. sxy is equals to 1 by n sum over xi yi minus x bar y bar. 1 by n means 1 by 5. Sum over xi yi is 12. The value of x bar is 0, therefore this portion results in 0. So the value of sxy is 12 by 5. Therefore r is equals to 12 by 5 divided by root over 2 multiplied by root over 3. Therefore r square is equals to 12 by 5 whole square whole divided by 6, which results in 12 multiplied by 12 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6, which results in 24 divided by 25. Okay, therefore variance of E is equals to the value of sy square is equals to 3. The value of 1 minus r square is 1 minus 24 divided by 25. Therefore 3 multiplied by 25 minus 24 is 1 divided by 25, that is 3 divided by 25. Now 3 divided by 25 means 0.12. So among the given options, the correct option must be the option A, which is 0.1. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.